car show. So we are in Corona. So let's see what we can find here. This is all about muscle cars. There you can see the Bentley, but mostly it's just Chargers, Challengers, Mustangs. Yeah. This one is Hellcat, the collector's edition. This it says inside.
It's raffle time, people. Make some noise if you're ready for some raffle.
Powerful.
Make some noise for Tacos Libertad. Looking up some good grub. Beautiful family. Fun afternoon.
Look at this wrap.
Fire maze. Check that out. Continue to have some fun and go some food. Tell us something.
So this one is Cat Pack by American Muscle Family. Challenger RT. Actually, I could bring my car to showcase here, but I decided it's not that cool. It's not like modified and tuned, and it was like 30 minutes waiting, and we came only 2 hours before closing, so we came just to visit, just to see the cars. We are hunting demons. They do. Okay, this one is BMW Daytona Charger. You know, guys, to be honest, I feel a little bit different here in comparison to when I go to supercar and hypercar shows, because here, like, you can meet different people, different cars. It's like absolutely different experience. So that's good. These are the cars that they came with. So let's see. Okay, let's go. Why would they ever put those here? I don't know. Probably for attention. Hey guys, I think we are done for today. It's not so many cars here to see. Mostly, as I said, there were like Challengers, Chargers, some Mustangs, and not so many people. I don't know why, maybe like because it's their first time, or maybe because it's I don't know, maybe they didn't advertise it enough, because when I go to supercars and hypercars shows, there are like a bunch of people. You're like, you need to squeeze, but here actually it's more comfortable, and because I love muscle cars and I have myself Charger V8 5.7 liters 370 horsepower, so yeah, I enjoyed it, and like the show is really good. I wish next time, like next year, they can have it like more people, and in this event they like whatever they get in donation, like on fundraising, they're gonna donate it to veterans. So this event is to support veterans, police officers and firefighters. So that's a very good cause. So like, I'm proud of you guys.